Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to receive payouts from Whop. Alright, let's begin. First, go to tab.com and sign into your account. Make sure it's the account with available funds. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon and click on Profile. From the menu on the left, click Balance. This will open the Balance Overview tab. Here, you'll see the Withdraw to Bank option. If it's your first time, the button may be grayed out. In that case, you need to set up your payment method. Click on Set up Whop Payments. As I have already done it, that is why there's a different option here, but in your case, the Setup button will be present. Once done, select your country from the drop-down menu, then click Next. A new page will open. If you already have a Stripe account, enter the email address linked to it. If not, enter your preferred email to create one. Click Submit and complete the form to connect your Stripe account to Whop. Once you finish the setup, go back to the Balance tab. If you have available funds, the Withdraw to Bank button will now be active. Click it to transfer your funds to your bank account. So, that's basically how you can receive payouts from Whop. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!